Here I got some of these covers laying in the sun warming up before I flip them inside out. Over here I got my base middle. It's about to start getting sewn up and ready for everything on the outside to be sewn to it. Because in the long run, that very first set that we're sewing up is going to be done like this. Everything's just sewn together from the back. So that's the old one I'm trying to reproduce. Get that center set to where it stays in before I sew it. I took and put some double-sided tape right in here. So I'm gonna start it off that way. Do it more. Now we're going to repeat the process with the remaining 3 pieces. Put some plastic on it. Got my covers warming in the sun. Oh, that's the old set coming apart. Here's a new set not coming apart.